There are only two rappers in South Africa who have managed to reach 50 million views on YouTube. You're probably wondering who the other rapper is, right? Well, stay tuned because you're about to be answered. Welcome to Celebrities Worldwide YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscription button below. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload something new.
He's the only artist from South Africa to ever get the opportunity to perform on the Ellen DeGeneres Show, which is an American talk show. He was featured on Major Laser's song, Particular, alongside Ice Prince and Jidenna. His name is Nasty C. Nasty C is a Def Jam signee who hails from South Africa, and he has been in the game for more than 7 years, and he has accumulated more than 91 million views over the years, and he's regarded as the most viewed SA rapper on YouTube. His most viewed songs are SMA, which is an abbreviation of Send Me Away. The song features the South African vocalist, Roland, and it has generated more than 16 million views. His second most viewed song is King, which features the American rapper, A$AP Ferg, and it has more than 8.7 million views. Okay, let's move on to the other rapper. I know most of you must be thinking that it's probably, aka, Casper, or Aries. Well, y'all wrong, it's none of them. So who is this rapper then? Yeah, you heard it right, it's none other than Kwesta aka Dakar. Dakar is a South African rapper who has his own record label called Rap Life, and he has been in the game for more than 19 years. In his years active in the music industry, he worked with a lot of artists both locally and internationally. The most remarkable international artists he worked with are Whale, Rick Ross, and Rich Homie Quan. Kwesta has accumulated more than 50.1 million views on YouTube. His most viewed songs are Niyazifela Nawe, which features the SA singer Thubzi, and it has generated more than 9 million views. His second most viewed song is NGUD, which features the South African rapper Casper Nyovest, and it has more than 8.7 views. And his third most viewed song is Spirit, which features the American rapper Wale, and it has more than 7.1 million views. And those are your two most viewed SA rappers on YouTube. Well, that's all we had for you. Please don't forget to like and comment. Till we meet again. Peace.